weed and the bubbles in the building. FBI code, bitch, the man right here. 1990 through the 94, Buffalo Bills. I ain't Dennis Rodman here and I ain't Holyfield. Yeah, I ain't that damn man to see the Sandman at the Apollo. I ain't that $98 shit check from McDonald's. Bitch, I'm the line through the teeth and the dot on the eye. I'm the motherfucking crocodile tears when you cry. I'm the lightning and bad weather. I'm that nigga on that bitch on your girlfriend. Just I ain't no hoe, I ain't no punk, I ain't no bitch, I ain't no fag, I ain't no suck, I ain't no trick, I ain't no snitch, I ain't no flag. I'm the 20,000 to pop every stop when I'm doing. I'm the fire on the last verse, make them say, ain't the same ordinary, everyday rap. Bitch, I kill Kenny, so I guess I'm that bastard.
Where the hot boys at? Right here, over there. Where the hot girls at? Right here, over there.
What you gon' do, nigga?
Where the hot boys at? Right here, over there. Where the hot girls at? Right here, over there.
What you gon' do, nigga?
I'm the bitch that say bring it on if you want to. From the city where we known, baby, for what we gon' do. I'm the red alligator so you can come in that water. I'm the migraine in your head, dropping I'm that buzz hog nigga, the cop is black. Head smack on your face like that infrared light. I'm the index finger on the trigger, don't move. Look, talk and blink your eyes like you gon' make the move. If I catch you in the club and you start to trip in, I'm the bitchin' brass knuckles that's gon' hit your chin. All the bitches sitting down with the feds to yeah. I'm that loud hog on the rat track. I'm the clown in your heart when your people get killed. I'm the feeling in your stomach when you get your last meal. I'm the hardcore, undisputed hip-hop diva. I'm the lady on the whole court date. I'm Mama Mia.
So good.
Where the
So good.
over there. Where the bitches at? Right here, over there.
What you gon' do, nigga?
In the past that always seem to come back and haunt you. I'm the 4-5 carrier, Mr. Grenade Launcher. I'm the nigga with the gun that be asking $1 at. I'm the nigga 600, everybody trying to holler at. I be the whip at the pay nigga to keep off your ass. I be the reason why you didn't pass, the reason why you cut class. I be the reason why they buried you, they carried you. I be the nigga that put the bullet on your fiance, the reason why she didn't marry you. I be the nigga that's trying to keep around, and hang around your sister. I be the nigga that calls it the shotgun. You might call him Mr. Now I got my top. Gonna get a wise guy, military mind, all the fucking drive-by, niggas old like a glass song, like all the cash gone. And to go, cause I'm a little brother, the last dog, let it look. And cake mix, flick shit, lose little same shit, cause I got a pair of semen shoes that I make bitch, get a fake bitch, keep an ice wrist, keep a tight bitch, keep the trigger, keep a tight grip. Infrared on my shit so I don't mix. Now I'm not ready because it's dope. I'm a member of the 504. Man, you the one they call Vito. Yeah, that's me.
Where the hot boys at? Where the right here, over there. Where the hot girls at? Where the right here,
What you gon' do, nigga?
I'm the enemy behind, so watch your back. When a live pound hit the chamber, I'm that click flat. When you run, I'm the danger. I'm the smack and the pimp slap. Let's get that bubble up when you cook that crack. The nigga that fucked up the party when I pull my strap. The nigga that fucked all the hoes I be trying to match. I was Scarface, sniffing with his nose and coat. The nigga that taught your little brother how to cook that dough. The first nigga on the block to make your mama deep throat. I'm the hustling ass nigga with the watch.